This is a timetable I use to get multiple A's and make that academic comeback. And you can do this too. It's not a prospective revision timetable, it's called a retrospective revision timetable. And you may be asking yourself, what's the difference and why create one? The difference between prospective and retrospective revision timetable is that the retrospective revision timetable doesn't focus on time slots. It focuses on the subjects and topics, and where you have weaknesses, you prioritize your weaknesses based on confidence levels. And the prospective is mostly based on time slots, and when you do a retrospective revision timetable, it reduces the cognitive load in planning and it reduces the procrastination. So that's why you should switch from prospective to retrospective. How do you create one? You can use either Google Sheets, Excel, Notion, Obsidian, Canvas, or even pen and paper. What you're going to do is that for each cell, you take a row and you just list out every topic in that subject. And then you write the date you first learned the material. Then, for the first time you're going to be reviewing it, you write the dates and you assess your confidence levels. Red for really bad, yellow for average, light green for good but I can do better, and dark green for excellent. And once you've assessed yourselves on the first review, you wait some time, and for the second review now, you look for the reds, you look for the yellows, and you tackle them first. This timetable is used to prioritize weaknesses, so you prioritize the weaknesses. And once you see yourselves not having any yellow, not having any reds, you can tackle the light green and dark green stuff, because based on the forgetting curve, you will forget even the light green and dark green stuff, so you still have to review them. After you do like 7 reviews, you'll see how everything becomes dark green. And I guarantee you, this system really works. You may be wondering in which context you should use it. Use it while you do practice papers, because practice papers is really good. It helps you scope the exam really well, and it helps you really learn the content in the scope of the exam. Do not use this with flashcards. Use this simultaneously with flashcards. So after doing all the practice questions, you can find a free time slot and also do flashcards. So you use them simultaneously, and that's how you will become better. And for every question that you get wrong on a practice paper, you make them into a flashcard. I made a short about this, so if you want to do that, go check it out.